In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a motion text animated video here in Canva. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us more than you can imagine. Thank you. So to create this video, we're going to pick the video documents here, and we're going to go for the landscape video. From here, we're going to go to the text menu here, and we're going to scroll down. Under text, we're going to see where it says apps. And we're going to see this motion text here. Let's click on that. And from here, you can see different templates you can work with. All these are templates that you can pick from, or you can just simply select them to select the kind of template you want to work with. So let's pick this template and we will change the text here. Once you have the text changed, you can come here and change the color of the text. I'm going to pick from my color palette, and I will change the font into something else. So this is the font I want to use, and you can see the changes that you're making happening to your text. And from here, you can choose the line spacing and the letter spacing you want to achieve in your text. So now that we have this out of the way, let's scroll down a bit more. And you can now change the extrude color. You can change the extrude color from here. Let's change this to black or not. Let's change this to this color. And let's come out of it and add a bit of outline. You see, we're giving it outline weight. You see what is happening to our text. Let's pick up this color and change it into something else. Let's click out. You see, you're working on the text how you want it to appear. From here, you can choose your animation style. How do you want it to animate? You have all the styles you can pick from how you want it to animate in your text. So let's go for this diagonal. You see, it changes as we go for wave circular. So once you're happy with the way your text look, there's still more settings here. You can amplify the speed of how they move. You can set the frequency, in what frequency they will move on, and you can also touch on the amplitude they are moving. So once you are happy with it, you click on add to design. You can see it has been added to our design. You can come here and work on it and resize it how you want it to look like. If you want to keep it by the side and add a video here, you can add a video. If you want to export it and use it in a different design, you can click on these three dots and see here where it says download selection. Just quickly download the video here. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Do have a good one.